Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Incubus Plains. Our phone number is 0738481381382, and today we have a 2014 Volkswagen Amarok Highline dual cab ute, stock reference number 4391. This shape runs from the 12th month 2010 and is the current shape. It has a CSHA 2-litre 4-cylinder twin-turbo diesel engine backed by an automatic 4-wheel drive transmission. CSHA 2-litre 4-cylinder twin-turbo diesel engine. This vehicle has sustained damage on the front end and the roof. We have the left-hand fog light. It's fitted with a set of Incubus alloys, 18-inch in black, all with no rash and average tyres. We have the left-hand power door mirror. Left front door has a couple of small dents. Left rear door also has a couple of small dents. Left rear, Incubus 18-inch alloy, aftermarket, average tyre. Factory fitted sports bar in chrome, supplied with all fittings. Roll and lock, roller deck, all with all fittings. Left hand tail light, tidy rear bumper, has one small dent. Tow bar, supplied with all bolts, brackets, loom and module. Right hand tail light, right rear, 18-inch Incubus aftermarket alloy mag with an average tyre. Right rear door appears to have no damage. Right front door has a fold on the front edge, as well as a slight fold on the top, still may be usable. Right power door mirror and a right front Incubus 18-inch alloy mag with an average tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with grey cloth interior, automatic gear shifter, heated controls, factory single stack CD player, and rear headrests. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.